Welcome back to my workshop. Now today's going to be a very quick video as a follow-up video to one I did about a month ago. Now that was regarding this, which is a Diskloc steering wheel lock, and I bought that and I've been using it every day since then. Okay, very pleased with this. So I thought I would treat myself to some accessories. Now I briefly mentioned these accessories in the first video, and they are a bag to come with this, and also a steering wheel cover. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll quickly have a look at those two, and I'll tell you why I got them. Right, first off, what I got is this, okay, which is the Diskloc steering wheel cover. Okay, this is obviously from Diskloc itself. Okay, so you can get those off their website. I can't remember how much they are. What I'll do is I'll put the price up here. But I actually got these gifted to me by my sister for my birthday, because I said I wanted them and I got them. Okay, this is the product number. Okay, just in case you want to order one. Okay, and it's literally, all it is a steering wheel cover that actually fits right over the steering wheel. Even though it looks like some underwear, it's not. It actually goes over the steering wheel. Okay, so this is like a nylon material. It's elasticated, literally fits over the steering wheel. What we'll do is we'll go out to the car in a moment and I'll show you how you fit it. The reason I got this is because sometimes when I'm fitting this, okay, I'm a bit clumsy and I end up hitting the steering wheel with some of the metal parts. Okay, so it's not a fault of this, it's me being clumsy when I'm actually fitting it to the vehicle. Okay, and what that ends up doing is making little digs and dents in the steering wheel, and it's starting to do a little bit of damage. Okay, so it's not a fault of this, it's just me being clumsy. Okay, so that's the steering wheel cover. We'll go and fit that in the car in a minute. Okay, the second item I got, which I also got from my sister as a birthday present, is a bag. Now, why do you need a bag? Now, at the moment, I've been storing the actual Diskloc in the back of the car, okay, in the footwell of the car, which is fine if I'm using the car on my own. But recently I've had to transport some people around, so every time they get in the car, it's in the way. Okay, so what I needed to do is get something where I can put this in the back of the car, but actually in the boot. And it's on the back, it's actually got some Velcro to stop it sliding around the boot. Now I haven't tried this yet, but we'll give it a go in a second. Has it got product number? Yes. Okay, so if you want to order one, it's one of these. And it looks like there's nothing complicated about this bag at all. You literally, it's got a Velcro close, and you literally store your Diskloc in it like this. Okay, and then it just Velcros back together again. That's the plan. Let's close that up. And it's got a carry handle here, so you can actually carry it around. Right, let's go to the car and try these out and see if they actually work. Right, so we're in the car now. If I'm going to put a steering lock on, this is obviously what I was talking about, the steering wheel cover. Now I'm getting a few marks on the top here. I can't really show you them now because it's a bit dark, but believe me, I can feel them as I'm driving. So I want to avoid that in the future. So I've got my pair of knickers, I've got my steering wheel cover, and this is the first time I fit it, and it literally just fits over like that. Okay, I wouldn't try and drive with this on because it's a bit slippery. Okay, so that's all it does. It protects it from putting the steering lock on. Now, if I'm going to get my steering lock out of the bag. Okay, normally I don't sit in the vehicle when I'm doing this. I do it from outside, but it should be easy enough. Okay, and that is basically it. Okay, the cover is just to protect it from damage from this. Now obviously getting it off again, key goes in, 3/4 of a turn, steering lock comes off again, and then this just removes. Okay, then you can put those both in the bag and put them in the boot. Right, obviously you could see I run through that very quickly because it's actually getting dark and it's starting to rain. But the actual bag itself, because of the Velcro on the back, once it actually goes onto the carpet in the boot, it's not going to slide about. And obviously the actual metal disc lock is not going to slide out of the bag because that's also Velcroed in. Okay, so that's a good storage solution. It saves it being in the footwell in the back, which made it awkward for when people were sitting in the back of the car. Okay, I think I'll call it a day for that one. It's a good couple of accessories to have, especially the actual steering wheel cover, because it was doing a little bit of damage, but that was my fault, not the actual disc lock itself. Okay, as I say, the prices were for the cover was this much, and for the bag was this much. Okay, I can't remember exactly at the moment, but that's what they are, both from Diskloc. I think they're probably good value for money, and it will save the actual disc lock getting scratched. That's enough of me waffling on. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. So let's do that.